What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the Gould Gaming and Tech channel. It has been an amazing year in 2021. Some ups, some downs, but hey, we're here. We're about to go into 2022, so I just want to say Happy New Year and thank you guys for tuning in, always subscribing, liking the videos, commenting, letting me know what's up, what's down, what could be changed, all that good stuff. So to show my appreciation to you guys, I'm doing a giveaway of all my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 cases, from the clear Rinky case to the official Samsung Fold case with the S Pen support, and the S Pen will come with it as well, to the Samsung Aeromid case, to the Spigen Slim Armor Pro case, and the list goes on. I have more cases here, so if you want to be entered into that giveaway, make sure to hit that subscribe button and then DM me on Instagram to let me know you subscribed. If you could just send like a quick screenshot saying, hey, I subscribed. But this giveaway is for people in the US only. I had some issues with sending some stuff to Brazil last time, and it was just a headache with US Customs, so I don't want to go through the headache. So just for this giveaway only, it's going to be for the US. But again, welcome to the new year. I love you guys. I can't tell you how much I appreciate the support. You guys are freaking awesome. The GG&T fam is going strong, and I'll see you guys in 2022. Hopefully you guys had a great year and you're gonna have an even better 2022. So as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.